MS Ramaya University of Applied Sciences.
Hi students. In order to understand the structural dynamics, let us look at one of the basic experiments such as longitudinal vibration analysis of free damped spring mass system. The purpose of this experiment is to study the longitudinal vibrations of damped spring mass system. An experimental setup consists of damper in the form of hydraulic oil, spring, pan for weights and a place to wrap paper and pencil setup. Aim of the experiment: to find the damping coefficient, damping ratio and logarithmic decrement of damped longitudinal vibrations of spring mass system. Experimental procedure: place the pencil and paper in the pencil holder and fix it properly. Place the weight in the weight pan and vibrate the spring mass system given an initial displacement. Switch on the motor. Introduce the dashpot and vibrate the spring mass system. Tabulate the readings and calculate the results. Vibrate the spring mass dashpot system by giving initial disturbance. Wait till the given vibrations decay completely due to damping in the hydraulic oil. Record the decrement in amplitude of vibration using paper-pencil setup. Using this decrement, all vibration parameters can be calculated using the standard formulas. The analysis of these parameters helps us to understand the severity of vibrations and its decay due to damping.
Hi students, in order to understand the structural dynamics, it is required to conduct some of the basic vibration experiments. Among these basic vibration experiments, right now we have longitudinal and torsional vibrational setup. To understand these experiments, let us conduct individually. The very first one is longitudinal vibrational setup. The aim of this experiment is to determine the logarithmic decrement and some of the important vibration parameters related to damped spring mass system. This longitudinal vibration setup, it consists of helical spring, mass, pencil paper setup and a hydraulic drum, which is nothing but the damper, and the level of damping can be visualized with the help of pitot tube provided for the purpose. Let us start the experiment. First switch on the motor and then rotate the knob so that motor starts rotating. Now this mass, spring with damper need to be lifted and left for oscillations like this. As this spring is oscillating, the pencil will create a plot on the paper. After finishing the experiment, unwrap the paper and see the graph obtained. If you look at this graph, the amplitude of vibration from one cycle to next cycle has been reduced. This reduction is called as logarithmic decrement. Once we could able to find the logarithmic decrement, remaining all other vibration parameters can be calculated using the standard formulas. This completes the experiments and the obtained results can be used to analyze the effect of damping on spring mass system.
At MSR UAS, we spark your imagination unlike any other.